Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce without onion and garlic. First, understand that delicious pasta sauce is absolutely achievable without these common aromatics. We'll explore fantastic alternatives and techniques to ensure your sauce is bursting with flavor. Get ready to transform your cooking and enjoy a delightful, digestion-friendly meal. To build a strong flavor foundation, begin by gently sautéing finely diced carrots or celery in good quality olive oil. Cook them slowly until very soft and slightly caramelized, which brings out their natural sweetness. Next, stir in a tablespoon or two of rich tomato paste and cook it for a minute to deepen its flavor before adding your main tomatoes. For the main body of your sauce, select excellent quality canned, crushed, or whole peeled tomatoes. Break down whole tomatoes by hand for a rustic texture. Incorporate fresh herbs like basil and oregano, plus a bay leaf, early in the cooking process. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for at least 30 minutes, or even longer, to fully develop its rich taste. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. A small pinch of sugar can balance acidity if your tomatoes are tart. For a final flourish, stir in some fresh parsley or extra basil. You can also experiment with a splash of red wine or vegetable broth during simmering for added depth and a unique twist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.